Hey everybody, welcome back to Conscientious Omnivore. My name is Pal. Today I'm going to just show you kind of my plan for the next step of the mulch creation. So basically I've picked up a few more Christmas trees, and I'm going to have a guy coming with a shredder, like a chipper, tomorrow hopefully. But I got to move all the wood and brush and everything from back there to up here because I don't want to move the rocks. So I'm just going to basically bring up all the stuff and drop it here, and then the guy will be able to come in with the chipper. And I'll show that to you guys after it's all mulched, and we'll see how much we get from, you know, those kind of big piles right there and the remnants of the elderberry and the plum trees. So I'll show that to you tomorrow. Alright, so this is what the pile looks like finally, the morning of the chipping here. So yeah, I got a lot of trees, a lot of brush. So I'm hopefully going to get all this down into wood chips. I'll show you when it's done. Alright, so I just wanted to show you the stems that I kept to use as posts. So I think these will be okay for just putting in the ground and then using as a little stand for the raspberries. I'll put some, you know, strings between them, and then just use those as little trellises, and yeah, that should be good. So guys, it's all done. The guy came and chipped it all in like, I don't know, 30 minutes or something. So the pile is slightly underwhelming, I would say, although it does smell really nice because of all the pine needles. It's not nearly as big as I had hoped it to be, but I kind of figured it would be a lot smaller than I thought, but I just kind of was hoping it'd be a little bigger than this. Now, you know, a lot of people would probably be thinking that this is not going to be too good because it's got all the pine needles and it's going to be too acidic. But I think as long as you're not tilling it into the ground, it'll break down slowly, and because it is mixed together with other wood too that isn't acidic, I think it should even out, and I think it'll be fine. So I'll show you what it looks like in the middle, because really most of the pines, the pine trees, the little Christmas trees, got ground up at the end, but the stuff underneath is of a lot better, you know, quality. It's from the plum tree and the elderberry bushes and stuff like that. So I'll show that to you in a second. And yeah, I think you know, I'll just have my work cut out for me the next day or so. I'll be moving this pile and getting it ready to where I want it in the garden. So you know, I just dug down a little bit just to show you kind of what it looks like. I think it's going to be pretty nice. I'm happy. I'm glad I did it. It obviously wasn't free. I did have to pay the guy, but I think price-wise it still comes out better than what I would have paid for at the store. And I got to at least use the local, you know, resources that were available and not have to, you know, basically like import stuff. And you know, this should hopefully all be like pesticide free because it's all just the pine trees and stuff and the things that grew out of this yard. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll show you more stuff in the future of where I'm going to be using this and where we're going to put it in the garden. So yeah, hope to see you back in the next one. Thanks everybody. See you next time.